The history of Israel in one song. I am a member of a kibbutz and our culture committee. Yes, in kibbutzim there is a culture committee. Asked me to make a video for a song they had chosen and to trace in this video the history of Israel for the Independence Day ceremony. And so that's what I did. And I thought to myself, why not translate the titles into English and let you have a look at it as well? I must say that I think they chose the perfect song, and I'm not sure whether they knew just how perfect the song is. The name of the song is מוכרחים להמשיך לנגן, or We Must Keep on Playing the Melody, but the song is better known as This Melody Can't Be Stopped. It was written in 1974 after the pilots who were captured during the Yom Kippur War came back to Israel. I'm not going to explain here every detail that you can see in the video, as that would be a bit too much, but I will list a few highlights. I started with David Ben-Gurion declaring the establishment of the State of Israel. After having been the Almighty Prime Minister, he joined a collective farm in the desert to set an example for the Israeli youth. In between the historical events, I added a few cultural figures, Shoshana Damari, Ofra Chaza, Arik Einstein, Gashashim, and because I live in a kibbutz, I added a scene from the cult movie Operation Grandmother, Mivtza Savta.
Want to come to my room? Cup of coffee? Fuck of tea?
The longest part covers the liberation of the old city of Jerusalem in 1967. I don't want to go into too many explanations, so I will just say that for each part I added a title so that you can Google it. For the 10% of Israelis watching, I will add the Hebrew version just below. See you next week. Yom Ha'atzmaut Sameach. Yalla bye.
שניים ממבנה חרדל, הלך. 4 ממבנה אגוז, הלך. כמו נבל גדול בעל 1000 מיתרים, שמנגן ומנגן ומנגן. ופעם בפעם בוקע מיתר. וממשיכים לנגן על מיתר אחד פחות, ועוד מיתר אחד פחות. ומיתרים פקעו ולא חזרו. חלקם חזרו וימשיכו לנגן, מפני שאת המנגינה הזו אי אפשר להפסיק. מוכרחים להמשיך לנגן. תווים כתובים מראש, ולפעמים אין תווים. אין תווים וצריך לנגן בלי תווים, וזה מה שעשינו הפעם. ולמרות שפקעו מיתרים, המנגינה הייתה טובה, בכל המקומות, ואנו נמשיך להשמיע אותה.